Hey everybody, I'm Emily from the Montclair branch. I'm going to be showing you how to make ice cream in a bag today. It's a perfect way to kick off summer, and if you're like me, you were eating a lot of ice cream these last few days. It was super hot. So while you're sheltering in place and you can't get to the stores often, this is an easy way, if you have the ingredients around, to make your own. So you just need to gather a few things. First off, you need sugar, just 1 tablespoon. And you need half and half. You need half a cup of half and half. And you need 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/4 cup of rock salt, which is that chunky thick salt. You can use ice cream salt or kosher salt. The thicker it is, the better. Fine table salt will just, it will work too. It'll just melt faster and perhaps make your ice cream salty if it gets into the bag. You also need a gallon-sized Ziploc bag, one with a good seal, half full of ice. And then you need a smaller Ziploc bag, just the quart-size ones, to put all of your ice cream ingredients in. So I've already mixed mine. Here it is, my Ziploc with a half a cup of half and half, a tablespoon of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And then you're going to seal it up. And you really need to make sure you do a good job sealing this, because you don't want the ice cream to get out, the milk to get out, and you don't want salt to get in. So again, another bag with a really good seal. And you want to get all the air out, so you can use the edge of a counter or the table to sort of hang the ice cream over just up to the lines, and you just sort of push the air out here. And then really make sure you hear that click. Get that seal nice and tight. And then you might want to even test it. Okay, it's all good. All right. And then into this bag, I put my 1/4 cup of rock salt and my ice. And you can stir that up a little bit and get it going. The salt makes the ice super, super cold. So you're going to have to shake this for 6 minutes. So you might want to go get a pair of gloves, oven mitts to work, even just a towel, just something to keep your hands from not freezing off. Maybe put on some good tunes too, because you're going to be shaking this for a while, so you can just dance with it. And then bury the ice cream in the salt. I'm just going to move all around and start to get a little looser, so it'll work. I've got my gloves here. I don't want to get cold, even though it is hot out. It's not as hot as yesterday. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Wow, I'm really glad I had gloves on for that, because my hands are freezing even wearing gloves. So I definitely want to get that together. Let's take a look. It's definitely solid. Softer than like freezer ice cream, but I think if you put this in the freezer, if you wanted it to be hard and not soft, that would be fine, but I kind of like the soft ice cream. All right, so one thing you want to do is don't open the bag right away, this bag. You want to rinse it off, because that water in there, the ice water, is super salty, and if it gets in there, like inside this part, and then it drips down in your ice cream, you won't want that. So make sure you rinse it off, and then when you open up the bag, you'll see it's a little icy, and you can just use a spoon to stir it. And don't forget to add any of your favorite ingredients, like sprinkles or fresh fruit, chocolate syrup, whatever you have that makes you happy. All right, enjoy your summer. Bye guys.